journey on. Make today the day that you decide to be great. Stop putting things off till tomorrow. Every action you take today is going to shape your future self. So choose wisely, choose boldly, and never let your past hold you back. It's your boy, DP Motivates. I got a train to catch. Welcome to week 3 of dropping my favorite quotes that I know that's going to help you on your goal towards personal development and growth. These quotes right here, they're not just words. They're going to be the blueprint. They're going to be foundational steps to help you succeed. They're going to help you catapult your life into another level. They're going to help you have a shifting of your mindset. They're going to help the grind so that way you can reach another level. It's your boy DP Motivation. We live, baby. We live with another video. All right, in this video, we're jumping right into it. Here are my 5 favorite quotes of the week. Number 1, quote 1, people overestimate what they can do in a single day, but underestimate what they can do over the course of their lifetime. We oftentimes put a lot of pressure on ourselves by trying to complete everything in one day, by trying to make that dream become an overnight sensation, by trying to attain microwavable results for the things that require time, process, energy, delegation, focus, true commitment. We cannot put that pressure on us and expect things to happen overnight just because we want it. Where in actuality, when we break things down into smaller steps, we can create greatness. We can have a life out of that. We can create abundance over that. So stop overestimating what you can do in one day and stop underestimating what you can do in a lifetime. Here's quote 2. Argue for your limitations and surely they will be yours. I had my boy who asked me to borrow $500. I said, you know what, bro? I understand your current situation. I'm going to let you borrow this money. However, you don't have to pay me back, but here's the caveat. All you have to do is come to the gym with me for 1 week straight and don't worry about paying me back. And so when the week finally came to an end, instead of actually coming to the gym with me, bro decided to just give me money back, and I was shocked. I was like, yo, I understand your situation. You don't really have a job right now. We're hitting rock bottom. Why would you choose to pay me back when you could have just benefited in so many other ways? And he told me the excuse is because I didn't have time. I told him, bro, I did not pay you because you had time. I gave you that money so you can make time. And that was that moment when I realized we're always going to have an excuse. We're always going to tell ourselves an excuse that's going to hold us back. If anybody ever came up to me and said, yo, I will let you borrow $500, you just got to come with me to the gym for a month straight, 2 months straight. Best believe I'm getting a workout in, and I don't got to pay you back. So it's like, that's true love right there to me. And it became extremely apparent to me. Listen, if you tell yourself, I can't do this, I can't do that, best believe you're fighting for your limitations, and they're going to be more true than the opposite. I have the mindset, and I love the mindset of I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. One more step, one more step, one more step, one more climb, one more climb, one more day, one more day. This mindset is going to help you make your dreams become a reality. This mindset is going to help you rise to the top. This mindset is going to help you break away from the bondages that's holding you back. Here's quote 3. You cannot protect yourself from sadness without also protecting yourself from happiness and joy. Life is meant to be enjoyed for everything that it does have to offer. The reason why we're able to appreciate the high moments is because of the low moments. The reason why we're able to appreciate when our business is finally at a place where we've been working so hard is because we can remember the times where we just started it from the ground up. Life is meant to be enjoyed, but in the same token, that enjoyment also has, moments of despair, moments of boredom, moments of frustration. But that's life. If you want to practice and attain and attract more in this lifestyle, then you have to practice gratitude, and you have to understand we cannot have the highs without the lows. If you want what you don't have, you're going to have to put the work in. If you want that $100,000 business, that 6-figure mindset, that 6-figure entrepreneur, if you want that body, then you're going to have to put that work in. It's going to require you to sacrifice somewhere so that way you can attain something somewhere else. Life is about feeling it all. If you try to dodge sadness, disappointment, or failure, you'll also miss out on joy, excitement, and success. It's all a part of the same ride. Stop numbing yourself. Lean into those tough moments, and you'll start to appreciate the good moments. They'll start to reflect more. Every high needs a low to make it worth it. Trust the process and ride every emotion because they're all a part of the journey. This is what we call life. And let's hop on and ride it together, man. Here's quote 4. The greatest project you're ever going to work on is you. You are your most valuable asset. So wake up every day as if your life depends on it, because here's the truth. It really depends on it. When you invest into yourself, when you invest into personal growth, everything else in your life is going to level up. Don't wait for someone else to come around and try to save you. Don't wait for someone and expect them to change your life for your life. Start with your mindset, your skills, your health. Make becoming the best version of yourself a top priority. Make sure that it's so much a priority that you go to sleep thinking about it, and that you wake up thinking about it, that you're ready to execute because you're about it. Here's quote 5. I saved the best for last. Where you are today is a result of who you were, but where you go depends entirely on who you choose to be. This quote is a powerful one. That's because your past brought you to where you are today, but it doesn't control where you go next. You have the power to make a new choice today. Your future is not locked in. It's created by the decision that you make right now. Start doing the things that are going to get you closer to the person that you want to be. Start surrounding yourself with people that are already there. Start reading the books about the people that journey through the path that you're yet to journey on. Make today the day that you decide to be great. Stop putting things off till tomorrow. Every action you take today is going to shape your future self. So choose wisely, choose boldly, and never let your past hold you back. If you made it through to the end of this video, let me know which of these quotes you're going to meditate and practice on for this week. Let me know which quote hit home the hardest, man. It's your boy, DP Motivates. We out. I got a train to catch.